In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your current position on LinkedIn Mobile. We'll walk through two clear options: deleting the role entirely or simply ending it so it no longer appears as your current position. Follow along on your phone and pause as needed. Start by opening your LinkedIn Mobile app. When you land on your homepage, tap your profile icon at the top, then tap it again to open your full profile. This second tap brings you to your profile page where all your details are listed. If anything looks different on your screen, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Scroll down until you see the Experience section. This is where LinkedIn lists your jobs and roles. To make changes, tap the pencil icon for the Experience section. Next, find the role that is currently marked as your present position and tap the pencil icon next to that specific job to open its edit screen. If your goal is to completely remove that role, scroll down and choose Delete Experience. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete to remove the job from your profile. Use this option if the role was added by mistake or you no longer want it visible at all. Keep in mind, deleting the experience removes the entire entry, including the description, dates, and accomplishments you've saved. If you want to stop showing it as your current position without losing the history, there's a better way. With that same role open in the edit screen, look for the checkbox that says, "I currently work in this role." Uncheck that box. When you do, you'll be able to set an end date. Pick the appropriate month and year, then tap Save. This ends the role and moves it into your past experiences, removing it from your current position section while preserving all the details you've entered. It's a cleaner option if you simply want your profile to reflect that you've moved on. After saving, go back to your profile to confirm that the current position label is gone. If you previously had more than one active role, repeat the same process for any others you want to end. And if your headline or About section mentions that role as current, consider updating those so everything stays consistent. That's it. Now you know how to remove your current position on LinkedIn Mobile either by deleting the entry or by adding an end date. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.